Easy idle animation tutorial in iMotion. At first, I'll import the character element and convert it to a group. Then I'll lengthen the duration of the layers. Now, add an effect called Swing. Go to Effects, select Add an Effect, then head to Move/Transform and select the Swing effect. If you increase the frequency, then the head or whatever layer will break or look like it is being tortured. I'd recommend keeping the frequency from around 1.00 Hz to 1.30 Hz. Then just change or play around with the angles till you get the desired rotation of the layer. Then you can copy and paste the effect onto other body parts and adjust the frequency. Just play with the frequency and something cool will pop up. I suggest keeping a bit of a delay in the animation by decreasing or increasing the frequencies. That's how it looked pretty smooth despite having only the head and body animated. Also make sure to pose the character. The face is just the face. It's best if the wave is kept to sine instead of triangle because sine is smooth and triangle isn't. The art here is the delay effect. It looks like the animation is looping, but it actually isn't. But you can make it loop by using keyframes though. You can also make these animated poses from Gacha Life too. Since I made her look like she's floating, I'll add the oscillate effect onto the group/model to create an up-down animation of the character. Then of course decrease the magnitude and the frequency.